Hi, as someone working as a counselor and interested in personal growth and the deeper meanings behind numbers, I decided to take a numerology course, and it's been a fantastic journey so far. What I've enjoyed most is how the course breaks down complex concepts into easy to understand lessons, making it accessible and engaging. Now, this course has not only deepened my understanding of numerology, but has also given me practical insights that I've applied in my daily life, helping me better understand myself and others. I'd highly recommend this course to anyone curious about numerology. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your knowledge, it's insightful, practical, and well worth the time. Now, none of this would have been possible without my mentor, Miss Dishaa. Her vast experience and the thoughtful way she has crafted this course truly sets her apart. She explains everything in simple, relatable terms, using plenty of examples, which keep students like me engaged and inspired. Now, while many may teach numerology, it takes someone with her level of expertise, patience, and exceptional communication skills to make this subject come alive. Now, Ms. Disha is truly one of the best in this field. If you're looking to learn the science of numerology, look no further. Trust me, you'll be learning from one of the best in the industry. Thank you, ma'am, for your incredible guidance and support. All the very best.